So PC gaming in your living room on your big screen TV can be a great experience, guys. And it can also be very complicated for people to achieve, to get a good experience with PC gaming in your living room on your big screen TV. So, and sometime to achieve a great experience when it comes to PC gaming in your living room, you need to move things. Okay, sometimes you got to move your furniture. Okay, you got to make the space, and that's where the Steam machine comes in and changes the game completely. So a lot of gamers look at the price of the Steam machine and immediately say it's too expensive, and completely overlook at the many good things about the Steam machine. Okay, there's a lot of good thing about the Steam machine. Well, I completely understand that reaction. However, sometimes the value of a product goes beyond the hardware itself. Okay, sometimes it's about what the product represents for the future of that market. In the case of the Steam machine, the future of gaming. So in this video, okay, we're going to talk about the 5 reasons I think the Steam machine is a game changer for PC gaming today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Glad to have you back on the channel. I always like to start by saying thanks to all of you for subscribing to the channel, and thanks for returning to watch another video. So if you are new here on the channel, I want to personally welcome you. Okay, this is Tech Talk, a channel where I share my personal opinions with you on technology. I usually talk about gaming, XR glasses, VR glasses, headphones, all types of devices that I believe is shaping the future. So let's get straight to the point, guys, with the Steam machine. I think the Steam machine is a game changer, and yes, I said it, and I know a lot of you have different opinion on this device, and it's okay. Once again, this channel is opinion-based channel where I share my personal opinions, and I know a lot of you have totally different opinion. It's okay. You know, we can agree to disagree, okay? So here are my 5 reasons why I believe the Steam machine is a game changer for gamer today. Reason number 1, well, the Steam machine brings PC gaming back to the living room. So before the Steam machine, when people talk about PC gaming, they usually thought about sitting at a desk in front of a gaming monitor. Well, the Steam machine changes that mindset completely. Now, when we talk about PC gaming in the living room, we're not just thinking about sitting in front of a monitor. Reason number 2 is the form factor here. Okay, gaming PC has never been this small and perfectly blends with your living room furniture. Now, there are a lot of content creators out there making claims that they can build their own Steam machine for less, but none of them can even come close to the size and the beauty of the Steam machine. Yes, they can definitely build a machine that looks small, but not like the Steam machine. Even when they claim they can do it cheaper, in most cases, that's not true. Okay, they have to compromise somewhere. Always is the device is way bigger than the Steam machine. Reason number 3, console simplicity with PC freedom. So name a PC you can just wake up with a click of a button to play your PC game before the Steam machine. There are not too many PCs that can do that right now besides the Steam machine. Yes, there are some workarounds that advanced PC gamers users can do to achieve that, but there are no other devices that could do this with this much simplicity as the Steam machine. To me, that is a game changer. Reason number 4. The Steam machine pushes the entire industry forward. When was the last time you heard so many people talking about small form factor desktop PCs? Not 2 years ago, not before the Steam hardware announcement. Most PC builders used to take small factor gaming PC as an experiment. sometimes to get click on YouTube, or as a challenge to prove a point, but they never take it serious. Now with the Steam Machine, we're seeing a serious push by companies that we've never heard before. Okay, coming out with small form factor PC to blend with your living room, to blend with your furniture, just like the Steam Machine. Reason number 5, the Steam Machine creates a strong alternative and serious competition to other companies like Microsoft and Sony. SteamOS is a serious challenge to Microsoft, okay, and a serious competitor to Xbox and PlayStation when it comes to selling games. You can always find some cheap games on Steam, and there's no need for a subscription to take advantage of those discount that you see on Steam. You can buy a lot more games on Steam than Xbox or PlayStation. So, is the Steam Machine expensive? Absolutely. Is it a device that everyone should buy right now during the RAM crisis? Probably not. But when I look beyond the price tag and focus on what the device means for the future of gaming, I believe the Steam Machine is one of the most important gaming products that we've seen in years. Okay, now the Steam Machine has a lot of potential to change how the gaming industry thinks about PC gaming in the living room, really forever. To me, this is a win-win for gamers, for consumers like me. So those are my thoughts, guys, but I would love to hear from you. Do you think the Steam Machine is worth the price, okay, for what it brings to the gaming market? Or are you planning to wait and see the performance evolution over months to see if the device is going to get better? So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future video coming from this channel. Like I always say at the end of every single video, watch out for yourself, guys. Take care of yourself. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for clicking on this channel. I will see you very soon in my next video. Take care of yourself. Hit that subscribe button.